Did you know a vintage TV keeps broadcasting an emergency alert that never existed? Every night at 11:43 p.m., the same warning plays. Stay indoors and avoid the tunnels, from 1953. But here's the thing, that broadcast never aired. The disaster it warns about never happened. Until now. 3 people vanished in the old subway tunnels. Same area the alert mentions. Same time it plays each night. The TV's owner found something else. Security footage from the tunnels. Right before each disappearance. You can hear it echoing underground. That same warning. Follow for part 2.